Guess who caught the sunrise at, what is it? No, it's 5:20. I think it rose at like 5. Oh, because I've been awake since 4 a.m. because of my baby. Actually no, I woke up at 4 a.m. naturally because of the light through the window, and then she woke up at like 4:15, and I've been trying to put her to bed since then, but evidently it's not working. Nobody in their mind is awake at 5 a.m. on vacation here. Oh my god, we're rushing. You go first. 1 minute. The buffet closed. He had no time to wear clothes, so he just threw on that yukata that they gave us. The breakfast is empty because basically it's open from 7 to 9, and then the last order is 9:30, or like they close for good at 9:30. So we ran here by 8:59. Luckily we got in, and I see like it's all empty already. I don't know how everyone's an early riser. Did everyone wake up at 5 a.m? Did everyone wake up? Oh no, 4 a.m? Guys, look at what is next to me. What the heck? It's freaking Mount Fuji, Daisy. Do you see it? We're eating breakfast with a Mount Fuji view. That's glorious and amazing. And I searched, we are only like 2 minutes away from the ropeway, which is like the cable car that brings you for the scenic view of Mount Fuji. So that's what we'll be doing today, I think. Daisy say bon appetit. Look, there's Mount Fuji there. The omelette is damn nice.
Oh, I'm not sure.
And they give it a ketchup. It's so good. Wait, my orange juice is completely blocking it, but anyway. How can I eat this? Yeah. It's so nice. I love the blasphemy that I'm eating it with pork.
Is it okay?
She's looking at me and now she has a snot on her face. Daisy. It's so good. I'm speed running this, is crazy. Can't even chew, just swallow. Peach jam, guys, on this croissant. You hungry, right, Daisy?
Oh my gosh, I'm trying to eat it.
Strawberry jam.
Yeah, she's so jealous of me. This jam nice, huh? Careful, baby.
You're trying to lean back.
You can lean forward, hold this. Yeah.
Finally made it out of the house. It's a cooling day, nice and breezy. You can hear the birds chirping, waiting for him to get the car. Look at the queue. The concierge called for us and they made reservations for the strawberry picking. For now, we're gonna check out the lake. Also, just now the roadway was way too crowded. Walking up this path. I think there's a viewpoint up here. This is still part of the hotel. Daisy's using Daddy's hat. Wait a minute, what's Daddy doing down there? A big carp? Oh, that's the ropeway that everyone's queuing for. Can you see it goes up the mountain there? Then I guess that's the scenic spot for Mount Fuji on the right side. Okay, we're on the way. 42 minutes away to the strawberry picking farm. There was a closer one, but they didn't answer the phone. And there's so many farms. Like when we drove past, right, there were lots of peach signs and grape signs, but it's not the season, so unfortunately we can't have yummy peaches. Now we are going past like really small towns, so not touristy at all. Okay, the strawberry greenhouse is here. Looks like they're growing grapes. Daisy fell asleep right before it coming. And this seems to be the place. Oh no, was it here a bit? Oh my gosh, it's the cheapest I've seen. But I mean, because they're not huge. But bro, what the heck? They smell so good. I'm definitely buying this guy. 2,800 yen. Oh, look at the strawberries. Wow, the strawberries listening to music. Wow, it smells amazing in here. It just smells like strawberries. Rolls and rolls of strawberries all to ourselves. Oh, look, our reservation.
いちごアップ、そしてダオ。
Okay.
Okay.
Condensed milk. Guys, we have the whole place to ourselves and we have 35 minutes here. I don't know. I guess this is ours. Wait, why is it only 3.5 sweet and 2 sour? This is the strawberry she just picked. Wow! Guys, I just tried one and it's damn juicy and damn melt in your mouth. The only problem is that it's not cold, but it's so sweet. And I haven't even put the condensed milk. They can make it sweet. I prefer it without condensed milk. Ta-da! Present of angel strawberries. It looks so perfect.
This one's also something else.
And this one's a special one.
Something lady.
Probably really sweet. We should try. Okay, no. I'll give you the normal one to try. The one that we picked. So good, right? It's so good. It's so...
soft.
Yeah, it's so soft. Okay. And then try the special one. Better. Sweeter. No, it's like more strawberry. More taste. Ours is like more watery down, right? This one's like strong. If only Daisy could eat strawberries, I'll go crazy. Let me try the angel one. It feels a bit harder. Like not as ripe. Oh my god, it's still soft. Oh my god, babe, the angel one is crazy. Does it taste like mango? It's crazy.
This is strawberry.
And it looks hard, but it was actually really soft. Okay, he's gonna go hunting. Oh my god. It's so good that I want to eat a stem. Is that crazy? The goal is to eat more than $28 worth of strawberries. Okay, he wants my tray, so I'm gonna finish all this. Just crazy, bro. He's gonna pick more for me, so I gotta clear this tray. Make sure to give me more.
Yeah.
Nice, thanks. Can you eat the one that fell in the condensed milk?
Yeah, I like the condensed milk. Don't eat the stem part.
Is there such thing as strawberry poisoning? Guys, suddenly a class of like old folks home started coming. There's like maybe 12 wheelchairs. Look who decided to join us. Daisy!
Oh!
I think her seat are the strawberries. Okay, time is up, so I speed ran and filled up our boxes. Ta-da! This is what I'm gonna eat now. Say bye to the last strawberry, Daisy. Okay.
Can they see?
Yeah.
Damn!
And all them that we threw away. We're back in the cafe to use the restroom, but these strawberries look so pristine. That's amazing. Just nice, there's a construction stop ahead. And it's a perfect view of Mount Fuji, darling. Okay, we just parked and we are gonna go to the ropeway across the road. The queue was so long this morning. Oh my god, out of breath. Thankfully it's a cable car. 2,000 yen. Free for children. Oh, there's still a queue up here. Here there's no elevator. Only stairs. And everybody leaves their stroller here. Bro, the Hershey's ice cream is tempting me. And the queue's pretty long. Look, somebody wants ice cream. Show me the ice cream. Woo! Not nice. Made it to the top. And look, I just noticed his hat has a... One side is the lake, and the other side, Mount Fuji. Oh yeah, and that's how we came up. You could do a 45-minute hike to the lake, or take the cable car down. I bought some cookies from the Fujiyama cookie. Thank you. Look, so cool. We just bought the cookies from here. Now, let's go back to where we parked, which is free parking, by the way. Somebody's very proud of herself for peeing and pooping on Daddy. Look, the pee and the poop leaked out of her shirt. Haha, Daddy is very sad because she already peed on this shirt earlier in this trip. Good job! Okay, now we're just chilling. And the hotel in the afternoon, I think until 7 PM, has just free snacks and drinks out. And like the snacks are pretty good. What's this? A thin apple biscuit and a royal waffle cookie. All this is free. And we're enjoying the view of the lake over there. All the baby clothes hanging behind that my husband washed. Yes. And this is the bamboo seat that they gave. Okay, try this. I'm gonna try what's nice and then we're gonna take more today or tomorrow. Wait, is it an actual apple pressed in it? Look.
Really?
For the apple seed, yeah.
Oh, they
That's
do that
damn
thing.
cool. Okay, very nice. Can't believe this is free. They sell it in a gift shop, but
You say convenience.
this is the hard kind. Almost 6 PM and our buffet is at 6 to 7.
Oh.
Ooh, sugary waffle.
Then we better go. Wow.
Slightly too artificial for me.
Mmm.
Was it honey or what?
I don't know.
Fuji-san cookie. Everything
Have
could.
tea.
Oh yeah.
Hey, stop it.
He also like hacked the system by they have free green tea, so he just refilled a bottle with it. It's like a shortbread, but it's not. Everything is just merging into one flavor. This one is like a chocolate flavored wafer and grape around it.
See, Mama? Mama?
Green muscat.
Oh, she's staring at the light. Wow.
Tell what? I'll give you half because I'm not sure if you want. Sweet potato. Look at her.
I have no idea.
Nice, huh? I'm not a mochi person, so man.
Bring me.
See you later during dinner. Or while we walk in the lake.
Easy.
Okay, we're gonna just take a quick stroll before she falls asleep soon. Then we'll go for a Wagyu buffet. Let's walk down here, the main road to the lake. I think I have decided that Lawson's my favourite one. But it's harder to find in a city. We're at dinner. And I got my special cart. The tempura damn nice. The Wagyu sucks. The lady overcooked it like crazy. He came back with more Wagyu. Wait.
Somebody woke up to join us. He helped me get chazuke and more steak. Rice.
Unfortunately, today's beef is lower grade than yesterday's. But it's okay because we had yesterday's amazing beef. And maybe it's every alternate day. So maybe tomorrow there is? Yeah?
It doesn't make sense for every day.
Yeah, maybe every other day. Fingers crossed tomorrow is A5 Wagyu again. What does this remind you of? Why is it positioned like this?
Get your mind on the butter.
We're also taking many rounds of the tempura because it's freshly fried and so lightly battered. So nice!
I loosen up quite a bit.
After the meal, suddenly he cannot fit into his pre-meal dimensions. Okay. Somebody's jealous, somebody's hungry, so we're gonna go shower and eat, okay?
Say good night, Daisy. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow.